Hey, good afternoon, everybody. The purpose of this screencast is to show you how to set up and use your Bluetooth headset that we're providing to support simultaneous instruction. This feels a little bit weird. It feels like one of those YouTube unboxing videos where kids like get their newest toy out and show everybody. So forgive me, I've never really made a video like this. But when you take your headset out of the box, it should have two pieces. One is the headset. It's got two ear sides, and then it's also got one side here that's got a microphone on it. It also should have come with a charging cable. The very first thing you're going to need to do is charge this up. You can plug the wider end of the Bluetooth charger into your computer, and then the other end is a micro USB Bluetooth piece, and this is the side that goes into your headset. It's a little bit hard to actually find the port where the plug-in goes, but if you look at the side of your headset, that has the microphone on it, you'll notice there's a tiny little flap that you can pull back right here that you can use to plug it in. And so the very first thing that you need to do after you unbox your headset is to make sure that you plug it and get it charged up, because you're not going to be able to attach it to your computer until it's been charged. All right, so once it's all charged, you can put your charging cable away, and you need to open up the Bluetooth settings on your computer. And so the easiest way to do that is if you go down to the bottom left-hand corner where you've got that search bar in Windows, you're just going to type Bluetooth, and you're going to want to go to the Bluetooth and other device settings. Now, once you are in this Bluetooth settings space, you're going to add another Bluetooth device, so you're going to click the plus button. It's given you three options, and the options that we want is to add a Bluetooth device. And now we need to turn our Bluetooth device on and make it discoverable. And the way that you do that is the round button here right where the headset enters, or right where the microphone enters the headset. This is the on, off, and pair button. And so you're going to push that button, and you're going to hold it until you see the little light right above it. We want it to flash red and blue. And so I'm counting in my head. It took about 7 seconds. And you notice that that little light is now flashing red and blue. And on your screen, you should have noticed that it came up BHM20. I'm going to select that. And you can see that my computer is connecting to it. Once I've done that, I'm going to click Done. I can check in my audio settings here that the BHM20 is connected and ready to go. So at this point, I'm ready to put my headset on and start teaching. This is what you have to do the very first time that you use your headset. After this point, so right here, I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to close that out. The next time that you want to use your headset, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go to those Bluetooth settings. But this time, as long as your device is on and ready to be paired, you should just be able to go back to it and click Connect. And it connects automatically. So it's one less step every time after the very first time that you use it. So a couple of notes about the headsets. Over here on this side where the microphone enters the headset, you've got two buttons at the top. Those are your volume buttons, up and down. Again, the big button right where the microphone enters the headset, if you hold that button for 3 seconds, it's going to turn your headset off. Holding it for 2 seconds turns it on. If you need to pair your headset with another device like an iPad or a phone or a different computer, you're going to hold that button for 7 seconds to get it to flash red and blue. And then the last feature that I really like about this particular headset is down here on the microphone. There's a little silver button that's actually a mute button. So if you're teaching your class and you need to go have a private conversation with a single student that you don't want to broadcast to all of your online students, you can push that button. It's going to mute the microphone for a second while you have that conversation, and then you can let it go without having to go all the way back to your computer and hit the mute button on your device. So I hope that helps everybody get oriented to their new headset. If you have any questions, please let me, your grade level admin, or one of our instructional coaches know, and we're more than happy to help you.